so we're going to go over how you replace the lights. These two lights here, you're going to have to remove a shield on the bottom to be able to get up in there, to be able to twist the light bulbs out and to replace them. These, fortunate for us, we can get these without taking the whole bumper off at the moment, and the housing itself. There is enough space back here, even on both sides, that you can reach your hand back here. So we're going to start up here. So back here at the back housing, we have right up in here is where the clearance light one is. This is the low beam, and this is the high beam cover. So the clearance light here, or parking light as they would call it, you just got to twist that counterclockwise a quarter turn to be able to pull this light bulb out, and then you would get a new one of these and put it in. And this is a light bulb of a 168. So it's a 168 side marker light, parking light, clearance light. It can be called all types of things. But that's what you get, is a 168 to put back in there. And this has contact elements on this, so that when you put it in and twist it, that's how it gets the light. That's why there's no cable on the back. So then you just find the hole that you removed it and be able to line it up and in. And twist it clockwise to put it back in place. That's how you replace the side marker light or clearance light on the front of your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.